Reynold A. Panettieri Jr., MD. I am Vice Chancellor for Translational Medicine and Science, Director of the Rutgers Institute for Translational Medicine and Science, and I'm at the Robert Wood Johnson Medical School. I'm Professor of Medicine there. Always fascinated by lung diseases and specifically asthma and airways diseases. That includes asthma, COPD, cystic fibrosis, and related illnesses. I enjoyed critical care medicine and the pharmacology related to that. So that's why I went into pulmonary and then specifically into asthma and COPD research. At that particular time, our therapies in those disease states were quite limited, and I thought I could make greater headway in characterizing novel therapies as well as biomarkers that predicted therapeutic responses. Again, the things that make me most proud are really the career development of my trainees who go on and become very successful scientists or physician scientists. So I think that that's the single most important thing in my career, because your discoveries are exciting and they get cited as papers, but typically after 5 years, people forget about them. It's really going to be the ongoing legacy of people you train that is going to profoundly affect the area. I think we were some of the first to describe how cytokines inflammation can directly affect airway smooth muscle, not only its contractile nature, but its relaxation. We've characterized how glucocorticoid insensitivity can occur in some instances. So those are probably the most notable things that we've discovered. Our work is almost exclusively done in human tissue in the development of human cell models. And our rationale for that is essentially we take out the complexities of interspecies responses. Is a mouse really, is that comparable to the human disease state? By using human cells in human tissue, we obviate the need to demonstrate relevance. Murine models are important, don't get me wrong, and we do murine models, but they often fall short in the characterization of the nuances of human disease. It's really requiring human tissue and human cells to be able to do that. And we've been successful in doing that for decades, really. The most important comment for someone who's contemplating organ donation and tissue donation is recognize when you pass, those organs that don't get utilized get lost. There's a real opportunity to have a profound effect on humanity and all of society by availing yourselves and making those organs available, not only as transplant organs to directly help an individual, but actually your tissue in the hands of researchers can ultimately impact on thousands and tens of thousands of people, given the discoveries that can be made. I value that. I'm an organ donor, and I would hope you would really consider the opportunity to have a great impact on humanity by sharing tissues and organs.